DJI is gearing up to shake up the 360 camera market with an exciting new launch. Based on credible leaks, the OSMO 360 is set to be officially revealed on July 15, 2025, with teaser content expected about a week earlier. This launch won't stand alone. Rumors suggest it will be accompanied by the OSMO Nano and the DJI Mic 3. The OSMO 360 is expected to land in the $550 to $600 price range, putting it directly in competition with other top-tier 360 cameras like the Insta360X5, which debuted in April 2025 and features 8K video. Some leaked footage and photos suggest DJI's entry might outclass the X5 in image quality and ambitious claim, but not out of character for the brand. The first signs of this project emerged late last year, and recently, more concrete evidence has surfaced through FCC documentation. Leakers have shared clear, high-resolution images from testing, showing a sleek, compact design that recalls the GoPro Max, complete with large dual lenses optimized for full-sphere capture. One key design feature appears to be a 45 mirror system similar to what's used in the Insta360X3, allowing for better internal space management without compromising quality. Inside, the camera features full support for DJI's MIMO app, a 195 mAh battery same as in the OSMO Action 5 Pro, 300 USB-C fast charging, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and a hybrid control system using both buttons and touchscreen. There's also talk of multiple accessories being supported, although as of now, there's little sign of the camera appearing in retail channels or among resellers. That said, the FCC approval signals the launch is near likely aimed at the holiday season later this year. The leaked schematics suggest the OSMO 360 has a very practical form factor, complete with front-facing display and easy access controls. One design critique is the relatively small screen size and the lack of an integrated mounting hook, something Insta360 does well with its Magic Stick setup. However, DJI seems to have prioritized a highly portable body while still including dual antennas for enhanced wireless performance useful for quick file transfers and even live streaming. Digging into the FCC registration under the model name OK1, it's evident the camera has passed key testing stages, further reinforcing the theory that it's headed for release soon. DJI's history of high-performance cameras for drones and action setups suggests this device will follow suit and possibly push GoPro and Insta360 to step up their game. On a parallel track, DJI is also preparing to unveil the OSMO Nano, a compact, wearable modular camera aimed at creators who prefer hands-free shooting. Think of it as a refined take on the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini or the Insta360 Go 3S, but with DJI's modular design twist. Leaked visuals show a two-part device, the main camera unit slightly bigger than the Go 3S, possibly due to improved optics or built-in stabilization, and a base module that likely holds the battery, screen, and physical controls. The magnetic attachment system is designed for mounting around the neck, allowing easy POV shooting. There are hints of a flip screen, which would be perfect for vloggers, along with expected features like 4000 video, DJI's rock-steady stabilization, and app connectivity. The expected launch date is July 23, 2025, with a projected price between $300 and $400. DJI has explored similar ideas before, most notably with the Action 2, which featured a modular magnetic design. While innovative, the Action 2 received criticism for durability issues and limited usability. With the OSMO Nano, DJI seems to have addressed those concerns, aiming for a more user-friendly, rugged wearable experience. The camera is said to include a 1-inch CMOS sensor and be capable of recording 4K video at 120 fps. It's also expected to offer excellent low-light performance and advanced stabilization features like Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady, ideal for sports, biking, and even drone use. Durability remains a challenge for modular cameras, and DJI will need to ensure the Nano stands up to the demands of active users. But with both the OSMO Nano and the OSMO 360 in development, it's clear DJI is making a serious push into immersive and mobile video tech. Now the big question, will DJI's new line steal the spotlight from GoPro and Insta360? With smart design, competitive specs, and DJI's brand strength, they're certainly in the race.